Today we start with the chapter Transport of Substance in Plants and Animal on page 152 and 153. The concept is excretion in animals. We know that we all do respiration, all living organisms do respiration the same way they do excretion also. What is excretion? It is a process of eliminating unwanted substance from the body. All living organism, even unicellular and multicellular plants, every organism, they do excretion process. They remove unwanted things, unwanted materials from the body. This process is called excretion. And amoeba, this unicellular organism, they excrete their unwanted thing by the process of diffusion. They eliminate their waste through the process of diffusion. And also fish or aquatic animals like fish, they take in water, oxygen and eliminate carbon dioxide through the gills. And also excretion of fish also occurs in gills as well as kidneys. Birds, reptiles and terrestrial insects, they all excrete nitrogenous waste in the form of uric acid. Uric acid is not toxic. It is a thick white substance. This enables animals to conserve water. Human beings and other land animals also eliminate nitrogenous waste product in the form of urine. In complex human body, human excretory system consists of 4 different organs which are involved in excretion process. They are kidneys, skin, liver and lungs. You know that kidney eliminate nitrogenous waste as urea and uric acid. Skin also eliminate excess salt particles and water through the pores present on the surface of the skin. Liver also convert nitrogenous waste, amino acid into urea. Lungs also eliminate carbon dioxide from the blood. These are the organs which are involved in the excretory system in human beings. Now will we move on to kidney. Kidney is an important organ, excretory organ. It involves 2 kidneys. One is on right, one is on left. And 2 kidneys are connected to ureter, tube-like structure called ureter. In kidney, there are millions of nephron cells which perform filtration. These nephron cells, the specific function which it does, that is filtering the blood and removing unwanted substance from the blood. We are having 2 kidneys which are bean shaped reddish brown color, which are located on both the side of the vertebral column just above the waist. And kidney is made up of nephron which do filtration. Next comes ureter. It is 2 tubes which are connected from the kidney and which joins to urinary bladder. The urinary bladder is a bag-like, sac-like structure, muscular sac-like structure, which is connected to urethra. The opening of urethra is guarded by a muscle called sphincter muscle. It relaxes at the time of urination, and adult human passes per day 1.5 liter to 2.5 liter of urine. Nephrons, which are situated on the kidney, that means each kidney is made up of nephron cells. These nephrons filter out excess water, salt and urea from the blood, and the clean blood leaves the kidney and continues its circulation in the body. The waste filtered by the kidney form urine, and this urine is excreted from the body through the urethra. Now let us study what are the composition of this urine. It is of 95% of water. Our urine consists of more than 95% of water, and it also has 2.5% of urea salt, and otherwise like creatine and ammonia salts, this and all of 2.5%. Its odor means smell is aromatic, and it is slightly acidic. That is what pH range, it ranges below 7. The pH range is below 7. Our urine pH is below 7, that is 6. It is sometimes our urine is slightly yellow color, otherwise straw color. The next important organ in our excretory system is the skin. Skin is richly supplied with blood vessels. The process sweating is due to the presence of small structure which is called sweat gland, which is present just below the skin. There are more than 5 million of sweat glands which are spread across the body under the skin surface. As blood flows into the capillary near the skin and water, salt particles which are urea which are present in the blood comes out from this blood vessel in the form of diffusion process and it reaches the sweat gland which is present just below the skin. These waste then leaves the body as sweat through tiny pores which are present on our skin. The next important organ is liver. Liver is the largest organ in our body, largest gland in our body. It is a lobed structure just below lungs it is situated. It also receives water and unwanted substance that is extra amino acid which will be converted in the liver into ammonia. And also this ammonia is again converted into urea and which will be eliminated through urine. Such a process of conversion of amino acid into ammonia and then it is converted into urea. These all process taken place in liver. Then this waste is eliminated through the urea. Such a conversion of amino acid into ammonia, this process is called deamination. This deamination is taken place in the organ called liver. Also, liver converts poisonous substance like alcohol, drugs into useful substance. This process is called detoxification. And the lungs, humans have one pair of lungs. Lungs are the site where deoxygenated blood get oxygenated. Carbon dioxide is excreted from the lungs and along with its water vapor also lost. By the process of diffusion, the carbon dioxide from the lungs is expelled through the nose.